Welcome back to CookLearnGrow.
And we have a really good menu today, and I'm going to show you guys. So first we're going to make some scrambled eggs, and then...
Stop. Let's read it.
Hey guys! Welcome back to CookLearnGrow.
And today we're going to be making a breakfast menu. So basically we have some eggs. We're going to make scrambled eggs, actually. And then we're going to be making some toast and with some butter on there. We're going to cut up our own apples. And we're going to have some avocado. And we're also going to have some tomatoes with cucumbers and ranch. And for drinks, we're going to have some orange juice and then water over it.
So we hope you guys gonna enjoy our video and we can get started. So earlier while we were practicing on this video, Callie said I could go first. So basically I'm gonna make toast.
But I'm going to go first. Wait, yeah.
It's okay.
So
Wait, start over.
Hey guys! Welcome back to CookLearnGrow.
And today we're going to have a breakfast menu. So I'm going to show you our breakfast menu. So first we're going to make some scrambled eggs. And then so also we're going to make some toast with butter. And we're also going to cut up our own apples. And we're going to have some avocado with some tomatoes and cucumber and ranch. And then we're also going to have our orange juice with water for drinks.
So let's get started, and we hope that you guys subscribe to CookLearnGrow, and thank you, and we appreciate it to watching this, and we hope that you like it. So let's get started. So Callie's gonna be going first.
Okay. So bye, toodaloo.
Bye, toodaloo.
Okay. So anyway, I'm going to be cracking 4 eggs because you always need to crack eggs if you're gonna make eggs. Like, what's the point if you're not gonna crack them? So anyway, put these to the side over here. So I'm gonna start cracking, and I like to roll up my sleeves when I crack them, especially if I have thumb holes, because then they could get them on. Because one time Colbie did that, and my mom says it's better to just crack them instead of the bowl on the counter, because on the bowl it doesn't really do anything to the cracking. So it would just like make it like slow. And also when you're cooking eggs, try not to get like the little brown parts on them. Shells on there, because then it just makes your like egg kind of like not really eggs anymore. And if you do, try to fix that. And also, like, when you're doing it, what my Lala told me one time, thank you again, is that when you want to do it, so you make like a crack, and then you put your 2 thumbs in there, and then you twist it over, and then you crack. So that makes it really good. Thank you. Okay. So yeah. And it also makes it really quick. You want to get all that yolk out. All that yolk. So, I'm going to go wash my hands.
Let's take a hand. Hey guys, I'm back. And try to show you the hands.
Yeah, got so much soap. I need one more.
Guys! Oh my god.
Hang on. Okay. So next thing that you really want to do is you want to stir them up just so they have a good so they can actually kind of turn into eggs. So you always want to do that. And the key to eggs, you kind of want to make it like really stuff like, yeah. So next, what I like to do, look at the bowl right now. It's so cute. Alright, beautiful, guys. Anyway, the next thing I I like to do is put a hint of salt in mine, and then I'll stir for a second. After that, I like to put in some pepper. Maybe you guys don't like to put in pepper, but in our family we do. So then I stir it up again. Then I can stir it for a few minutes. If you guys can't really see, the pepper's still in there. So, yeah.
On the camera, it looks like the sun.
Yeah. It's the sun, guys. It's just basically the sun. I'm just kidding. Who would ever cook the sun? Probably be dead by now. Okay, guys. So then after I'm done stirring, I would usually spray the pan if I were you. Water's already going. Or the fire. Oh my god. I accidentally sprayed it. So then after that, I'm going to pour my eggs on the pan. Go back here for my
Don't be afraid. Pour it. Perfect. Take that for you.
Okay. So next, I'm going to take my spatula, and I'm going to just do that, and yeah, just all it. And I just keep doing this until it just gets all kind of strong, and where it can actually kind of get thick. So I think while I'm doing this, you guys can go ahead and go on to Colbie.
Okay, so I'm going to be doing toast. So basically, you're going to get bread, and then you're going to put, if you have two, then you put two in the toaster, and then just swap them down. And then you see, this thing that you slide it down, and then when this turns red or something, when a thing turns red or something, or maybe a color green or something, then it's on, and if it stays there, then it's on, and if it's not up, then it's on, and then when it pops up, then it's ready. And then you pour butter on it. And yeah, so butter. And we have this cute little thing. My mom had this cute little thing that says butter, and you put the butter inside of this. But it's really cute. I think it's really cute because it says butter, and that's what we put in. It's very cute. I just love it. So we're just going to wait until the toast pops.
Okay, next I'm going to turn it off. Okay, there. So then I turned it off, and let's see how our eggs are doing. So I'm going to take the spatula out. Yeah. And if you guys want to come a little closer, you can see they're really nice and all cooked now. And there may be some brown spots on that, and that's how you know they're ready. And they get all strong and not all just move around. You actually have to kind of put some strength into them. So yeah, and then I'm going to okay. Hallelujah. After that, I'm going to get my plate, the head, and put it on my plate. And then, where's my fork? Oh. Okay, so I got my fork now. I'm going to get my eggs. Put my eggs in there. So when Colbie's, oh, I'm sorry. So when Colbie's toast, this might take a little while. So when Colbie's toast pops up, you guys can go back to her. They smell like the eggs in my lollicooks.
Got a little piece.
Just want to make sure it won't fall off. Casey's probably upstairs like, what's that noise? Okay guys, so I just heard Colbie's toast pop up. So you guys are going to go to Colbie and I'm going to finish this right now.
Well, I did not notice that my toast just popped up.
I heard a little bit of it, so I kind of knew.
Is it hot? Okay, guys. So now it's time to put the butter. So guys, I got my little knife. Chaya. And then I'm just gonna cut it off. And then I'm just going to put it on the toast. And then I'm going to spread it like a little bit. It's hard. Now I'm going to spread it, which I think it's going to be a really good idea. It's hard. It's really hard, guys. It's really hard. I know. It's a little bit closer. It has like little lines on it. That's cool. Spread it every. So the most important thing about butter when you're doing it on toast is to always spread it everywhere, because like you don't want it to be just like in one spot. So you need to spread it everywhere. This is a little bit crazy.
Okay guys, so I'm going to help Colbie and I'm going to do the other one.
Yeah, Callie's gonna help me while I spread this one. Looks really tasty.
Looks really tasty, actually. It does. That ain't no lie.
Okay, I'm done with my toast. I think it looks really good. And yeah. So
Colbie's gonna serve the other way. And while you guys come to me.
can you put this in the...
Okay. You guys get to come to me. Stop it. Anyway, so guys, these are how my eggs turned out. They are looking pretty good. I like them. So put it out. Anyway, so every cook, if you are in CookLearnGrow, you guys must probably know this. You guys always need to taste what you made. Yeah. So I'm gonna find this very, very small piece. So I'll take like the whole thing. Okay, so I'm gonna pick this one. Okay, so if I had to rate it from 1 to 10, I'd probably rate it a 9 because I like it with sausage, but we don't have any sausage. My dad said he will go to HEB and get more, but it's still pretty good. I love it, and I'm really impressed what I made because I actually never made scrambled eggs before, so I'm impressed. Yeah.
And guys, if I had this from a 10 or 9, I would pick a 10 because I think I did a really nice job, and I think Callie did a nice job too.
Oh, thank you. You did a nice job too.
And now for the last final thing.
Okay, guys.
The taste.
Wait, okay. So, guys, we still have some more to do, but we are going to say bye for now, and then when we are done, we're going to show you guys our masterpiece. So, bye!
Bye!
For now! Hey, guys. Welcome back. And right now, we just cut our apple, and now we're going to cut 3 slices, and then we have 3 slices of our apple. So, let's go.
So my Lala just cut lines for us, so the lines help us know where to cut. So it's like
Good.
so it's like
Back and forth.
so it's like
Some more.
like a parent cutting something, so like it helps us remember what to cut.
Do the bridge.
So yeah.
Back and forth. Back and forth. There you
So
go.
guys, what Alala just told us is every time that you cut your apple, you always want to do like a bear claw.
Or a bridge.
Yeah, or a bridge. Like at the end, if you don't have that much space to put your hand, then you could like do it like overboard. So like that.
So guys, I only cut my 4 apples. I think it looks good because 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think it looks really good. So I cut this. And I think I cut it very good because me and my brother and Callie and Laura used to go to IHOP with us, and because we were spending that night at her apartment. Sometimes you spend the night at her apartment, and we went to IHOP, and then she showed us how to cut with a knife.
With a knife. Goodbye. We'll show you our masterpiece when we're done.
Hey guys, we are back, and today we are going to be doing our drink, and our drink is orange juice, so I'm going to be pouring it in first.
And if you guys didn't notice, we have the Texan sign, Longhorn sign. So if you guys are Longhorn fans, or someone that's watching this, and you guys like the Longhorns, subscribe. Anyway, yes. And what I like about making this brunch is that it's not just like we're actually eating, it's that we actually make food for each other to like share. So yes. So guys, we got our orange juice, and my mom just poured some cucumbers and tomatoes and her avocado and her just cucumbers for her. And so we are going to say goodbye to you guys. And we're going to go eat our yummy brunch. So, until next time, goodbye.
Na 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 na.